Hey, I'm Fiona. I'm a DevOps engineer with a special interest in Python. Last year I passed the Python Institute PSAP exam, and from that I've put together my handwritten notes and code workings into a Python learning resource. This is in GitHub under Skills and Ladders and the repo python-pcap-notes. There is a link to this in the description of this YouTube video. The README explains how to get started. It shows the directory, which is entirely made up of Jupyter notebooks. These are best used locally. There's a warning message here about trying to use them remotely in GitHub. Local environment setup instructions are given here. Object-oriented programming content is in the folder 3_OOP. There is another README, this time describing the content of this folder. About. This states that I use PSAP as my framework, but that my approach is quite different. What makes this series different? Notebook titles do not directly mirror the official PSAP topic structure. Removes areas of ambiguity by strongly locking terminology and explanations. Exploratory and deep, beyond the syllabus. Unique mental models, diagrams, and new terminology. Hands-on experimentation backing up my concepts. Aha moments, and warnings against pitfalls that I encountered. I'm showing one notebook as a taster, this one here on multiple inheritance. All the notebooks follow the same structure, starting with a table of contents, a general overview for what to expect, handwritten notes which form the base of the walkthrough, and then the walkthrough. Here I'm giving a definition on multiple inheritance. Then executable code, indicated by the play icon. I'll give that a run. Then Python internals. What went on behind the scenes in Python to execute that code? Always the compiler compiles all of the code all at once into one big bytecode. The Python virtual machine then executes that bytecode statement by statement. In this case, it's class instantiation, so the process is driven by the class's metaclass named type. Then visualization of the outputs. Everything in Python is an object, including classes, so it's useful to depict these in container-style boxes. Here, the 3 classes are shown and the relevant attributes for the example. This structure is used throughout the notebooks. Explanation, executable code, Python internals, and then visualization of the outputs. I'll now scroll all the way to the end. Here, as in all notebooks, there is a summary. This takes the form of a bullet-style list, summarising the key learnings from the notebook. I hope this is something that you might find helpful. Thank you for watching.